Hello students, welcome to E-Class of Science at Kadaria. You can never know when someone's life might be depending on you, and this is precisely why learning the basics of the first aid is so important. It is important to learn to access an injury, as our actions can be the only thing standing between life and death. I hope every one of us have gone through the first aid kit. So, the first aid kit includes band-aids, gauze, pain meds, eye drops, scissors, sterile wipes, cotton, antiseptic cream, and so on. Let's look at the point of what is first aid. First aid is an immediate treatment or care given to the person from sickness, illness, burns or injury until advanced care is given to that person who is in need. Now we'll discuss about the importance of first aid. Importance of first aid is hard to overestimate. Among the major benefits of first aid, they are the following: providing quick medical treatment until professional assistance arrives. First aid helps ensure that the right methods of administering medical assistance are provided. Knowledge in first aid also benefits the individuals themselves. It affords people with the ability to provide help during various emergency situations. Today we are going to have a short summary of burns and cuts and the first aid that has to be given for the sudden accidents. Firstly, burns. Burns are injuries to the skin or mucous membrane from excessive heat or cold, chemical substances or electrical current. The first aid for burns is as follows. So before we enter into the first aid of burns, let us look at a point where and how the burn undergoes in our skin. So our skin is consisted of three layers. The upper layer, the outermost layer is epidermis, and the second layer is dermis, and the third layer is hypodermis, which is next to the fatty tissue of the skin. So these are the three types of burn which we undergo: the first degree burn, second degree burn, and third degree burn. First degree burns, the burns that only affect the skin surface. It just affects only the epidermis layer. Second degree burns affect the outermost and second skin layer, that is both the epidermis and dermis. Third degree burns kills almost the skin all the way to the fatty tissue. So it goes deep into the hypodermis area. So the correct first aid treatment for a minor burn is to remove, that is come out of the fire, cool it out, that is wash it with water and cover it out after applying an appropriate antiseptic cream. Never use things like toothpaste, ice, butter or oil. Above all, there are 4 steps to be taken for a first aid burn. First is stop. Stop or drop to the ground. Roll to put the fire out. Then remove. Remove all heat sources including clothes, nappies and jewelry. Cool. Place burn under running cool tap water for 20 minutes. Do not use ice. So we have to place it the burned part under the tap water, cool tap water, but usage of ice is not recommended. And then cover. Use cling film to cover and protect the burn. So these are some of the first aids given to the burns. Care of third degree burns. So the third degree burns is really very serious. So usually not necessary to apply cold to areas of third degree. Do not apply ointments. Ointments and the previous first aids was given only for the first degree and second degree burns. But for third degree burns, it is important for us to apply sterile non-stick dressings, but we should not use plastic. And it is very better when we approach any medical help for this third degree burns, as things may get serious. And the second topic is cuts, scratches and scraps. As we know, cuts, so cut from broken glass, cut from blade, scratches and cut from knife. All of us would have underwent all these sort of things in our daily life. So the basic first aid for cuts, scrapes and wounds are: access the wound, wash your hands, clean the wound with water, pat it dry, apply a soothing agent or an antiseptic cream, cover the wound, that is, cover the wound with band-aid and check it regularly. Lastly, eat healthily, drink plenty of water, exercise regularly, minimize toxins and reduce stress. So 10 healthy living steps to take today. So 0 hours of television, 1 hour of exercise, 2 liters of water, 3 cups of hot green tea, 4 short mental breaks, 5 small meals, 6 a.m. of wake-upping time, 7 minutes of laughter, 8 hours of sleep, and 9 p.m. end of the day and off to bed, and 10th one is prayers of gratitude. If this is followed by an individual daily, really it will lead an individual to stay healthy. Love yourself enough to live a healthy lifestyle. Last but not least, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in. Eat healthy, work out daily, stay fit. Thank you.